Welcome back to MH Car Review, and today we have something absolutely extraordinary to show you. What you're looking at is not your typical luxury motorhome or RV. This is a complete reimagining of what mobile living can be, a concept that pushes the boundaries of automotive design and luxury to levels we've never seen before. This futuristic six-wheeled beast represents the cutting edge of 2026 technology, combining the comfort of a five-star hotel with the aggressive styling of a supercar, all wrapped up in a package that's ready to take you anywhere in absolute style. Let's start with that exterior design, because honestly, where do we even begin? The front fascia is simply jaw-dropping with its massive diamond pattern grille that looks like it belongs on a multi-million-dollar hypercar. The LED lighting system is integrated seamlessly into the bodywork, giving this machine an almost menacing presence on the road. Those vertical air intakes on either side aren't just for show either, they're functional elements designed to channel air for cooling the presumably massive powertrain hiding underneath. The aerodynamic design flows beautifully from front to back, with every curve and line serving a purpose while maintaining that ultra-premium aesthetic. Now those wheels, all six of them, are absolutely spectacular. We're looking at what appears to be custom multi-spoke alloys finished in gloss black, wrapped in high-performance tires that suggest this isn't just about cruising slowly through campgrounds. The six-wheel configuration isn't just a styling choice, it provides superior weight distribution, better traction, and improved stability when you're carrying what is essentially a mobile luxury apartment. The stance is perfect, sitting low and aggressive while still maintaining enough ground clearance for practical use. The body panels feature this beautiful two-tone finish, combining dark metallic blue on the cab section with a sophisticated matte gray for the living quarters, creating visual separation while maintaining cohesion. Moving along the sides, you'll notice the sculptured bodywork that manages to make something this large look sleek and modern. There are integrated storage compartments, slide-out sections, and those distinctive geometric patterns that add visual interest without being over the top. The windows are tinted for privacy but large enough to let plenty of natural light into the living space. Up top, we can see what looks like solar panels integrated into the roof, because in 2026, sustainability is no longer optional, it's expected, even in the luxury segment. Step inside, and you're entering a world of absolute opulence. The cab area features racing-inspired bucket seats upholstered in premium leather with contrast stitching. The dashboard is a seamless blend of digital displays and physical controls, with multiple high-resolution screens providing everything from navigation to entertainment to vehicle diagnostics. The steering wheel is a work of art in itself, likely featuring haptic feedback and customizable controls for every function you could imagine. Climate control is multi-zone, ensuring everyone in the vehicle stays comfortable regardless of the weather outside. But the real magic happens when you move into the living quarters. We're talking about a full apartment on wheels here. The interior layout maximizes every inch of space while never feeling cramped. You've got a gourmet kitchen with built-in appliances, likely including an induction cooktop, convection oven, and a full-size refrigerator. The countertops are premium materials, probably quartz or granite, and there's ample storage for extended trips. The dining area converts into additional sleeping space, and the main bedroom suite would rival many high-end hotels, with a queen or king-size bed, premium linens, and dedicated storage. The bathroom is a full-featured space with a proper shower, modern fixtures, and high-end finishes. There's a sophisticated water management system, probably with built-in filtration and recycling capabilities. Entertainment throughout is top-tier, with integrated sound systems, multiple displays, and full connectivity options. Smart home integration means you can control lighting, temperature, security, and entertainment from your smartphone or through voice commands. Performance-wise, this beast is likely powered by either a hybrid or fully electric powertrain, given the 2026 timeframe and the emphasis on sustainable luxury. We're probably looking at somewhere between 500 to 1,000 horsepower, which might sound excessive for a motorhome, but remember, this thing needs to move a significant amount of weight while maintaining performance. The electric motors would provide instant torque, making merging and highway driving effortless. Range would be substantial, probably in the 300 to 500 mile range on electric power alone, with fast charging capability. The suspension system is undoubtedly adaptive, adjusting in real time to road conditions and load to provide a smooth, comfortable ride whether you're on the highway or exploring off-road trails. Now let's talk about what everyone wants to know, the price. A vehicle like this, with this level of customization, technology, and luxury, isn't going to be cheap. We're looking at a starting price somewhere in the range of $1.5 to $3 million, depending on specifications and customization options. This is a vehicle for the ultra-wealthy who want the freedom of the open road without sacrificing any of the luxuries they're accustomed to. It's a statement piece, a mobile mansion, and a technological showcase all rolled into one incredible package. This represents the future of luxury mobile living, and we absolutely love it. Thanks for watching MH Car Review, and we'll see you in the next one.